Hey y'all, put your gloves on. Let's tie-dye today. As always, 100% cotton shirt that's been soaked in a soda ash water solution for 20 minutes or more and then spun out in the washing machine until damp. This is gonna blow your mind how easy this is. Okay, so I'm going to start here at this armpit and I'm gonna go across to this armpit. I want my line to be fairly straight, so I'm gonna make a quick mark to follow with just a straight edge, and this will work. I just want to go from armpit to armpit, and that is pretty straight, so just like that. Okay, just as a guide, because we're not working on perfection here, just a guide. And now we're just gonna walk it. Oh, my gloves are sweaty. Okay, we're just gonna walk this across here, just like this, keeping it straight. I'm not doing any crazy, perfection in my folding. I'm just basically walking and pulling that line, right? Because we're gonna just make a ripple across this shirt, just like that, just like that. And now we're gonna put the rubber band here. To hold that in place. I want it tight, but I don't want it to bunch up on itself. Okay. There we go. Pull it back out, straighten my line up. Okay, we're going to revisit this in a second. Okay, so we straighten this out here. We've got that held in place. Now we're going to need another rubber band. About that far on either side, so an inch and a half on either side. Okay, and then here, crinkle. Crinkle. Okay, here we go. So these are 100% natural fiber PROCION dyes mixed to the manufacturer's specification. Today we're going to use turquoise, sweet pea, lemon yellow, bright green, and powerberry. So we're going to start here in the middle with our lemon yellow. Start with our lightest colors. And I'm going to put it on either side of this here. And it's okay how wide we get. It's okay. Next we're going to go in with our bright green. And I'm going to put bright green on either side, letting them overlap. Okay. And then we're going to go in with turquoise. Here on either side of our line. And then on either end, we're going to start first with sweet pea and be pretty liberal with our sweet pea. Got a lot of fabric here. And then we'll do a squiggle with our powerberry. Just like that. Okay. We're going to turn it over and do the same thing on the other side. Oh, Cooks is fussing at my deaf dog. A little bit more yellow. She doesn't understand. She doesn't understand why he can't hear her. She just follows him through the house fussing at him. Oh. So I'm just touching up my colors, right? I'm just doing the exact same thing on this side. And some powerberry. There we go. Or some sweet pea. I'm sorry, sweet pea, sweet pea. And then get that powerberry squiggle. Just to give it an accent. Okay. Now, because this is a natural fiber PROCION dye by Dharma Trading, the urea is already in the powder that I mix, which means that it doesn't have to be airtight in a bag. All I got to do is cover it up. So that's what I'm going to do. No, that was just so mean. Okay, there, and then that's just to protect it from Cookie, okay? See you in 24 hours. is. How bright is that? It's like a hippie Charlie Brown, right? If Charlie Brown was cool. But I love this electric in color that goes right through the middle. And then have this modeling of the sweet pea and the Powerberry across the top and the bottom. It's really cool. And then you can see there's like red specks, and that's where the Powerberry, one of the base colors for Powerberry is that fiery red, and it didn't mix properly, so it left speckles of dye in there, and it gave these red pops of color. I think it's an added bonus, because out of imperfection, to me, comes beauty. So, call me lazy. I didn't mix my colors perfectly. I love them spots when they show up. And that's it. That's our shirt today. That's our Groovy Charlie Brown. And here's the back. And hey, if you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe. I'll make sure that I put it in a playlist so it's easier for you to find. My channel is loaded with content, from tie-dye to jewelry making, cooking, spirituality, just crafts. I'm bringing in crochet, just a smattering of my life, my creative process. Come hang out. You might have some fun. Remember, be peaceful, be kind. It's important. Try something new today. You never know. You may like it. I'll talk to you soon.